We are at my favorite place in the world, the Junkyard, the holy grail of everything for someone that wants to be cheap like me. We're going to get parts for my friends' cars, we're going to get parts for all my cars, and we're just going to mess around. Is this a Kia Soul? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. And have a good old time. Let's get into it. We found a fender. Now, I don't know if this is gonna come off or not. I'm gonna be really pissed if not, but there's no dents or anything. We could probably use this for our Jetta and it's gonna look way better than our dented fender. Oh, yeah. Bolts are nice too. I'm gonna use these bolts. We're gonna take these 10 mils off up here, going back here. There's a 10 down here. We're going to use our $1 Temu ratchet and take it off. If you really, really want something, y'all, you will find a way to take it. Alright. Fuck using a wrench.
There's just like 2 clips back here. Like back under here somewhere. You got, yeah, you have the Torx, it's here.
Finally got this stupid bumper up. But the thing is, I really needed it off to get to these bolts, and then we could finally get the fender.
Now it's off. Just be careful.
Alright, after assaulting the vehicle, we have finally took the fender. It is decent. There's one dent, but it's a lot better than ours.
One little dent's here, but I may be able to get that out. Y'all, we might have to polish it. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, interior wise, let's see if there's anything we can use. Like, I've been needing a glove box. But
oh yeah, that ain't good. Same issue.
Dude, do all Jettas have this issue? No, let us know in the comments because it seems to be like all Jettas have this issue. Because ours does, and then this one, and everyone I see at the Junkyard tends to have this issue. I can never get a cubby. I wanted one of these, but it's missing the top part. So I guess I can't.
Nice if they weren't trash.
Yeah, the seats would be nice. Light bulbs. That one looks new. We'll take that. This one looks new. We'll take that. We got 2 new light bulbs. Holy. What happened to the back here? Oh, and if quality's a little horrible, I can't bring the whole camera in here, so I'm filming on my phone. So I'm sorry for that, y'all.
Y'all already know.
Why is it just a random orange?
Oh, this one. Come here. Looks like
oh my
someone's
God.
in the back of this thing. Do y'all ever come to a junkyard and just see what the heck people got in their trunks? Some fucking, oh hell no, I don't want that. Hell, I should read. Someone took the brake pad.
Yeah.
Nah, I ain't no good. So.
That's some coolant. Alright, moving on.
Found a Volvo. Do we need anything on it? Probably not. But since we're here, we gotta investigate, man. It's a Volvo.
Yeah, investigate the timing belt.
Oh my God, I could see what happened to it. It is oily. Look at this. His belt probably slipped off and blew the motor. It is so oily. Yeah, unfortunately, it was a bad Volvo owner.
Alright, interior wise.
Do these fit ours or no?
Yeah.
They do?
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. You want that one? I did need this piece for our interior, but it's missing. Well, for the Volvo, we have this. So this one's nice.
I'm gonna look at a Camry here. I'm pretty sure they all share the same 1ZZ motor. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we're gonna go investigate what the Camry has on it.
Look at the 1ZZ. Oh, this thing had an intake. Look at the Enkei wheels, though.
All right, let's see if his coil pack is good. It's super oily. It is Denso. I think I'm being too cheap at some point. Is there being too cheap? Should I take these Toyota Denso plugs? I don't know. They are kind of oily, though. I don't know. I'll pass.
We are gonna take the bath, y'all.
Anyways, mine needed new bolts. And a MAF sensor.
God, I really wonder if these came stock, because apparently our Enkeis came stock on this car, but I don't know. Y'all let us know. I don't know, they're nice.
Hold up.
Like, look at them.
This is smart. What a lot of people do, you can run these as like winter tires with our tires on them. Throw them on these, and because our tires are like brand new all seasons, and then you can go ahead and put like full-on track performance tires on ours currently.
Yo, that's smart. Should we take them? I don't know. We may. Y'all will see later if we take them. We'll debate that. All right, y'all. And lastly, the Celica. Okay, we have to check out parts for it. We need a sunroof. Dude, even the trans, everything's been taken on this.
Yeah, there ain't nothing on this motherfucker. Don't be that one guy that destroys shit out of Junkyard. I hate when people do that. Look how nicely I sat this down. Don't just destroy stuff. That's not cool. Unless it's already been molested, then do whatever you want.
So you're telling me all along I could have been doing this? I've been parking in tight spots and I could have been doing this? This mirror's messed up, so I'm not gonna take it. But yeah, we do need new mirrors. Our mirror is like cracked here. Yeah, so interior wise, the steering wheel's nice, but I have plans to rewrap our steering wheel, so I'm not gonna take that. And then this is what I needed, was a sunroof, but it has a crack like ours. Ours is like 6 cracks, but this still has cracks, so I don't want to pay money for that one. I'll get a nice one. Bro, someone already took all the fuses out too. I kind of want this radio. He's nice. I could clean him up. We don't have the OEM radio.
Y'all, should we do this? This is a GTS with the 2ZZ. We have the 1ZZ. Ours has drum brakes, which I hate. They're ugly as hell and they squeak a lot. This has factory disc brakes. Should we convert ours to disc brakes? There's a Ford Flex. I have some type of love to the Ford Flex. I don't know why. I'm trying to convince the person behind this camera to get a Ford Flex. Let us know, is a Ford Flex something cool to build on a channel? I'm not sure whose girl, he cheated on with, but look at this, y'all. This is crazy. He definitely pissed some girl off.
Wait. What happened here?
Is this a Kia Soul? Oh hell! Oh hell no! I can't be seen on Kia Souls. Oh my god!
This Honda Civic. How you manage to blow up a Honda Civic? I don't even see a lot of these at the junkyard. How you blow this thing up? Yo, someone already took the spark plugs. Dude.
God, that is some rusty exhaust manifold.
Yeah.
That boy.
Yeah, I like to check too for plates. Ew. Poo water went on me.
We did good at the junkyard. I am so happy. Everything all together was $90. And on top of that, I'm gonna come back and take those Enkei wheels. They'll do the whole set for $260. Those are nice wheels to have.
We got all of our little parts. They did the belt and the little thing for the Volvo. That was like only I think it was $7 each, which is really good.
We literally had to make a stop at Harbor Freight. Of course, I didn't bring all my tools with me for whatever damn reason, but we're back to get these Enkeis. No, wrong way. We're stuck.
Good though. Oh, there comes that off. Alright, first rim off. Check it out.
They need majorly refurbished, but we're picking up some actual authentic Enkeis for a good price. I had to come get these.
Yeah, they're gonna do them for like $240, which is great. All I gotta do is sand them down, refurbish them.
Oh, these are ass.
Yeah.
Alright. Doing big boy work, and as y'all could see back there, there's Mr. Jetta that we absolutely rated earlier.
Alright, one last tire. We got them all in.
Heading out.
We just got back from the junkyard and I'm gonna show y'all everything we got. We got the whole receipt right here. We paid a little less than $350 in total. So first thing we got are these beautiful, authentic Enkei rims. Look at them, beautiful. Came off of I think a Camry. I am gonna have to sand them down and repaint them. Our goal with these are basically to take them and get winter tires put on them and put them on our Celica in the winter time. Moving on, y'all, we got a fender for our Jetta. If y'all know, we damaged the side part of the passenger side of our fender. All right, so this is the exact color of our beautiful Jetta sitting over there. And we gonna take this baby and slap it on it. All right, moving on. Next, we got a beautiful MAF sensor for our Celica. All right, so this came off of a Camry, but it was the same exact engine. It was the 1ZZ. If y'all watched a few videos before, our MAF sensor has been iffy, so we did take this, and it doesn't look as in bad condition as the one we have right now. So we'll be throwing this baby on. Next, for the Volvo, we had to pick up a little side trim console part. All right, now I don't know if we're gonna use it, but we're gonna keep it. All right, so if we need it, we need it. Next, we got our little caps for the Enkei rims themselves. We're gonna use these babies right here. I do gotta sand them down and then repaint them, but these are the beautiful little caps. They just go right here. They're these beautiful little caps. Last thing we got, I don't even know why we got these things because we don't even have this car. This is for like a V6 Hyundai, but it was $7, so we had to get it. It is basically a timing belt and a pulley. It was sitting in the back of a Hyundai. It was free, basically. Yeah, it was brand new in the box too, so definitely worth these.
So in total, we took 5 things for $350 total. And including these Enkei wheels, I think that was a steal. Now, I wanted to get something up for y'all this week. Seriously, we did order some cool parts for the Celica. We will be installing them next week. They weren't here though. Parts are always on delay. So I hope y'all enjoyed goofing around at the junkyard.